Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you one of those really neat gentleman's pickups, as they were called. I'll tell you details in a minute. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of the gentleman's pickups that we have, a 1967 Resto Mod Chevy El Camino. Beautiful color, the Cortez silver color. She has been detailed under the hood really well. It's highly detailed out. It's got a 350 Chevy. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes. You even have vintage air conditioning. Just like I said, a really nice color. Chrome work is very good. Interior, they have put in the leather bucket seats with the tilt steering, and all around it just has a really nice look. The big wheels, the chrome wheels that everyone wants nowadays with the rubber band tires. The bed is a custom lined bed. It'll be really neat in the pictures that you'll see. Again, the car came out of a Texas area, so it's not a Minnesota vehicle, which if you're always concerned about that cars coming from Minnesota are not always unrusty. This is a really clean vehicle right here. So if you're looking for what, what they called back in the day, the gentleman's pickup, you got it right here at Ellingson's. You can look at all the details online at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Or you can find it on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. We have a lot of our cars out there. Close to 100 cars are currently on display and available here right at Ellingson's. You can come and visit us in Minnesota anytime. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and take a look. It would be great. We'd love to see you here.